guys, welcome back to my channel for another video in the new series that I am putting up all summer long on preparing for a new homeschooling year. So many of you guys downloaded the free checklist that I created on everything I do to get prepared for a new homeschooling year, and it's made me so happy to see so many of you guys, thousands of you, utilizing that free resource that I made just to bless you guys and say thank you for being here. That link is down below. So this is a continuation of that list. This is a series I'm going to be putting up all summer long as I move through everything I do to get prepared for my next homeschool year. So I gave a little intro on the previous video, so that's all I want to say about that. I do want to thank today's video sponsor, which is Body Restore. I am so excited to share about them with you guys because it is my personal reward after I get all of this deep cleaning done in our schoolroom to take a wonderful spa-like shower. Love placing them in the shower. It's a whole aromatherapy experience without a hot bath when I just don't have the time or desire for that. So you guys will see more from them here in a second once I'm done cleaning, because I know I'm going to work up a sweat and that shower will be my reward at the end of that. So that's what we're doing today. We are deep cleaning my homeschool space. I am upstairs in my schoolroom. Now, we do keep this room clean. We dust it, we vacuum regularly, but every summer I like to really pull out the chairs, pull out the desks, vacuum along the baseboards, wipe the baseboards down, clean everything. So first I did the clean out, now I'm cleaning. As I'm cleaning, I know I will find myself organizing. It's just in my nature. Let me know if you guys are the same down below. All I want to do is clean today, but I know I'll end up moving some piles and books and different things like that. So that's what we're going to be doing today. I'm not going to talk anymore. I need to get this done. I've got about an hour of time to do it. I think a lot of times these types of projects can get put off because it seems overwhelming, like, oh my gosh, deep cleaning the schoolroom, that sounds like it's going to take forever. But I'm just going to give you guys my advice. Just start, use the checklist. You can download it for free. And we're going to work through that whole list together this summer. So that is what I am doing today. We're deep cleaning my schoolroom and I'm going to get started. So like I already told you guys, today's video is sponsored by Body Restore, and I was so excited to learn of Body Restore and try their shower bombs. They have elevated what used to be just bath bombs for relaxation into showers with an at-home spa experience, because as we know, baths can be time-consuming. All of their products are natural, organic ingredients, and you can get the full aromatherapy experience in the shower. They have relaxation, they have relief, and they have energize. So I knew that after I got done with all this cleaning, I was gonna be nice and sweaty, and so I wanted to take a relaxing shower. So all I needed to do was open up my Energize shower bomb, turn on my shower, set it in the bottom of my shower. It works best with hot water. Let it steam for a minute, and then I'm gonna get a relaxing, energizing, or relieving, depending on which one I used, full spa experience at home. So if you guys wanna check out Body Restore, I will have a 30% off coupon as well as the link down below for you guys. I absolutely love the Energize ones for those midday showers, and then of course the relaxation ones are nice for nighttime showering and relief. You guys know I work out all the time, so that is really awesome for stress as well as just physical relief from all of the exercise. So I'll have the link to Body Restore down below. You guys can check them out for yourselves. Make sure you use that 30% off discount. I know you will absolutely love them. I am so excited to have found something that doesn't take 20 minutes of sitting in a bath to achieve the same relaxation benefits. right, guys, here is the end of what the vacuum picked up. Oh my goodness, we clean this room often, but I swear there's so much hidden dog hair. So here's a few little looks at the cleaned space. I will do a homeschool room tour in the future, but I am moving through my checklist. So just a little overview for you guys of the freshly dusted baseboards that you can't see, but I know they're clean, which is awesome. So I'll see you guys again in my next one where I'll be checking something else off the list. Make sure you check out Body Restore and save 30% off on any product that you guys want to try. The shower bombs are amazing. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys again soon.